In a city where fashion moments are born every night, few command quiet elegance quite like Claire Danes. At the New York premiere of Netflix's The Beast in Me, held at the iconic Plaza Hotel, Danes stepped onto the red carpet in a look that immediately caught the world's attention. Not for its extravagance, but for its simplicity. Dressed in a vivid red gown by Narciso Rodriguez, she reminded everyone why minimalism, when done right, can be more powerful than excess. The gown's razor-sharp V-neckline, slender straps, and perfectly draped fabric moved with her in effortless harmony. In that instant, cameras didn't just capture a celebrity. They captured a... For those who have followed Claire Danes' red carpet evolution, this moment wasn't just nostalgia. It was an affirmation of identity. Her relationship with Narciso Rodriguez dates back to 1997, when she wore his baby blue gown to the Academy Awards. That look introduced the world to her understated grace and to Rodriguez's clean-lined minimalism. Since then, their creative partnership has woven through time like a recurring motif. The sleek, black cutout dress she wore to the Mayweather vs. Pacquiao match, the crisp jumpsuit at the 2015 Met Gala, and the midnight blue silk gown at the 2016 Tony Awards. Each collaboration felt effortless, never forced. So when Danes appeared once again in Narciso, it wasn't just fashion. It was memory meeting modernity, a reunion of two artists who instinctively understand restraint as power. This latest gown, in its striking shade of red, stands as a masterclass in emotional minimalism. There's nothing loud about it, no sequins, no grand embellishment, yet it radiates confidence. The sharp V-line draws attention to her poise, while the gown's movement reflects a kind of calm authority. It's the sort of design that can only come from true mastery of proportion, where the beauty lies in balance rather than decoration. And that's where Claire Danes excels. Over the years, she has become synonymous with intelligence, both in her acting and in her style choices. Whether portraying complex characters in Homeland or commanding attention on a carpet, her presence has always been about authenticity. She doesn't chase spectacle, she embodies sincerity, and that is precisely why her fashion resonates so deeply. At the Plaza premiere, that authenticity was amplified. As flashbulbs flickered and the crowd murmured, there was something deliberate in the simplicity of her look. The gown didn't scream for attention. It invited admiration quietly, almost humbly. Paired with tabire jewels that added just a whisper of gleam, the ensemble struck a rare balance between timeless and contemporary. In an era when red carpets often lean toward maximalist drama, Danes' choice served as a reminder that elegance isn't about doing more. It's about knowing when to stop. Every element, from her softly styled hair to the gown's fluid movement, felt intentional. It was as if Claire Danes had written a love letter to minimalism itself, reaffirming that subtlety, when done with confidence, can speak volumes. What makes Claire Danes' collaboration with Narciso Rodriguez so enduring is its mutual understanding of restraint. Rodriguez, a designer celebrated for his architectural precision, has always believed that the human form is its own canvas. His approach to design isn't about adding layers, it's about revealing clarity. Danes mirrors that philosophy in the way she wears his creations. There's never a sense of costume or performance, only presence. Together, they create a dialogue between movement and stillness, between line and emotion. In the world of celebrity fashion, where every red carpet can become a competition of extravagance, Danes stands out precisely because she never seems to compete. She simply arrives, composed and assured, letting the craftsmanship of her gown do the speaking. And once again, at the Beast in Me premiere, she proved that silence can, in fact, be the loudest statement. It's easy to forget, in today's fashion climate, how revolutionary Rodriguez's simplicity once was. In the late 1990s, when bold prints and heavy embellishments dominated, he introduced a new kind of sensuality, one defined by precision and control. Claire Danes was among the first actresses to embrace that aesthetic on a global stage. Over time, their artistic relationship became a kind of shorthand for intelligent style, refined, purposeful, and emotionally resonant. At the Plaza, that legacy was not only remembered, but renewed. The red hue of her gown carried both warmth and intent, a color long associated with power, love, and self-possession. Under the soft lighting of the venue, the gown's fabric caught each glimmer with quiet authority, creating a moment that felt both cinematic and deeply human. Fashion critics were quick to take note. Many praised Danes for her commitment to authenticity, for understanding that fashion is most compelling when it reflects one's essence. Her choice of Narciso Rodriguez wasn't just about aesthetic harmony. It was about continuity of character. As an actress, she has built a career on nuanced storytelling, from Romeo to Juliet to Homeland. On the red carpet, she brings that same emotional intelligence. Her looks never feel detached or performative. They feel lived in. This appearance, then, wasn't about reclaiming attention or reinventing image. It was about quiet evolution. In a sea of ever-changing trends, Danes reminded everyone that the strongest identity is one that remains rooted in truth. As the night drew to a close and the final flashes dimmed, what lingered wasn't just the image of a beautiful gown. It was the sense of confidence behind it. Claire Danes continues to represent a rare kind of Hollywood elegance, one that values substance over spectacle. Her return to Narciso Rodriguez felt almost symbolic, a reaffirmation of partnership, taste, and timeless style. In an era defined by speed and reinvention, she remains a steady presence, proving that refinement never goes out of fashion. The Beast in Me may be her latest project on screen, but on that red carpet, she embodied the very theme of the film's title. The quiet strength within, expressed through grace. And once again, she reminded us that true sophistication doesn't demand attention, it earns it.